Good morning, Junkaholics. I'm just getting prepared to go to Calgary. Decided to throw in my insulated wire, so I'm not making a empty trip to town. It's 2 hours away, and they pay the most money up there. So at the same time, I'll bring in that silver from the thrift shop garage sale video, and let's weigh this up. So the first tote is 46.95 pounds. It's probably, I don't know how many pounds a tote is, but I just want a baseline. So we'll just mark 47 on it. This one weighs 46.70, so it's about the same. So that's some more communication wire, 27 pounds and 3 ounces. So this is tin coated insulated copper, and it's 20.90 pounds. So more communication wire, 15 pounds, 4 ounces. So that's insulated 60%, and it weighs in at 28.85. Here's some more insulated 60% copper wire, 26 pounds. And here's some 40% insulated copper wire at 63.25 pounds. We'll put this in the truck, see how much room I have left over. I may take in a set of aluminum rims. Not sure yet. Well, I'll definitely let you know. So I decided to bring the rims. I prepped them. They're weighing in at 20.90 pounds each. I have 4 of them. So 80 plus pounds of cast alloy rims. So we're all loaded up and ready to go to Calgary. It's not a full load, but it's a nice load. So we'll see you in Calgary. So while I was loading up the silver, I noticed I found something I forgot all about. And these are silver salt and pepper shakers, so I'm going to throw them in the bag. I didn't weigh them. they'll weigh them there. Well, Junkaholics, went to a new place today called Empire Metal. I had heard from Subprint that they pay the best and they're definitely the easiest. So we got 84 pounds of aluminum rims at $1.50 a pound, or $1.05 a pound, sorry, for $88.20. And then these guys do things differently. All insulated wire, no matter what it is, 40%, 60% extension cord, cat wire, communication wire, is all one price. So no more sorting of that stuff. Also, anything bright and shiny is considered bare bright. Doesn't matter on the gauge. So that's kind of cool. He said the insulated number 1 goes to a different price, which is also awesome. But wow, is it ever going to be a lot less organizing now I'm dealing with these guys? So anyways, back to the ticket. So I had 246 pounds of insulated wire, and I would say most of that was cat wire. Probably at least 2/3. And at $1.47 a pound for a total of $361.62. Now you definitely need to do the thumbs up on that one, and make sure if you're ever in Calgary to check out Empire Metals. Now that's some nice junk. Oh, by the way, the people at Empire, friendlier than hell. This is the place to deal with. That's what I'm saying. Empire Metals, Calgary. What's keeping you? Get here. So Junkaholics, we're at Calgary Gold. Just cashed in the silver. Teapot ended up being no good. The platter was good, and the salt shakers were no good. Still got $215, so that's really nice junk. So Junkaholics, I just wanted to take a moment and explain to you how I got fooled on the teapot and the salt shakers. First of all, the salt shakers, they paid nothing for it, so hey, no harm, no foul. Teapot, oh well, I lost 25 bucks, not a big deal. But what Canada Gold explained to me was what they're doing is putting a large amount, well, not a large amount, they're doing a alloy mix of chromium, zinc, and what was the other one she said? Chromium, zinc, and nickel, and a little bit of silver. That's why it actually passed my chemical test, but I noticed it wasn't really changing the color as quickly as the sterling platter. That's why I had said I'm going to get this verified, and well, it didn't work out. It's not a big deal. I ended up getting, the sterling platter, which was paid good money. I brought in some wire, found a new buyer who's paying excellent as far as I'm concerned, and saving me a shit pile of work. So I think it was actually a pretty successful day. Might as well do joke of the day. So why is diarrhea hereditary? Because it runs in your genes. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And have a wonderful Father's Day. Have a great one. Bye.